Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English National School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 7.2, question number 8 and question number 11. Two questions we will solve today. Your lecture number is 36 for the half yearly examination, and you have a homework. Your homework number is 27. Okay, so let's start from question number 8. Question number 8 is from your exercise 7.2 is Geeta, Rita and Mita together have 180 taka. Geeta has 6 taka less and Mita has 12 taka more than that of Rita. How much does each of them have? This means Geeta has 6 taka less than Rita, okay, and Mita has 12 taka more than Rita. So we will assume at first Rita has suppose x taka. Then we can calculate the amount of money to Geeta and Mita has. Okay. Now, my dear students, its solution of 8. Suppose it's Rita has x taka. Okay. Rita has x taka. So Geeta has 6 taka less and Mita has 12 taka more than that of Rita. So we can find out Geeta. The question says that Geeta has 6 taka less than Rita have 6 taka less than that of Rita. So you can write down. So Geeta has x minus 6 taka. Okay. Question says that Geeta has 6 taka less than that of Rita. That is why Geeta has 6 taka less than Rita. Okay. Now also given in the question Mita has 12 taka more. Okay. Mita has 12 taka more than that of Rita. So it's Mita has x plus 12 because of Mita has 12 taka more than Rita has. Okay, so we can write down x plus 12 taka is belong to Mita. Okay, now the question says that Mita, Geeta and Rita together has 120 taka altogether. That means this 3 taka, it's Rita, Geeta and Mita has together 180 taka. That's why if we add these 3, then we will get 180 taka. Okay, so you can write down according to the question. Now according to the question, it's x minus 6 plus it's x plus 12, that's equal to 180 because this taka has Rita, this taka has Geeta and this taka has Mita have. Okay, so all together that means we will add these 3 amount of money, then we will get 180 according to the question. Now we will solve this equation and we will find out the value of x. If we find out the value of x, that means we will find out the amount of Rita has. Okay, then we can find out from these two, we can find out Geeta has how many and Mita has how many amount of money. Okay, now it's x plus we need to remove this bracket. That's why we will write down the one in front of these 2 brackets. In the front of these 2 first brackets we have plus sign. That's why the sign will not be changed. Okay, that's equal to 180. Now dear students, implies that x plus x plus x, that's equal to thrice x. Okay, and 12 minus 6, that's equal to plus 6. is equal to 180. Implies that thrice x, that's equal to 180 minus 6. If we transfer this plus 6 into the right side by the transformation law, we will get minus sign before 6. Okay, because 6 had plus sign before. Now it's a simple subtraction. Thrice x equal to 174. Now we need to find out the value of x. That's why we need to omit this 3. To omit this 3, we need to divide the both side by 3. Then we will get it's thrice x by 3. That's equal to 174 by 3. That means therefore x is equal to 58. If we divide 174 by 3, we will get 58. That means x equal to 58. So this implies that Rita has 58 taka, right? Therefore Rita has 58 taka. 58 taka. From this amount we can find out how many taka Gita has. Now therefore you can write down here. Okay, therefore Gita has x minus 6 or x minus 6, or it's x means 58 minus 6, that's equal to how much? It's 52 taka. Okay, and we need to find out also the amount of Mita, and Mita has x plus 12. X plus 12, or the value of x is what? The value of x is 58. 58 plus 12, that's equal to how much? It's 70 taka. That means our answer will be Rita has 58 taka, Gita has 52 taka, and Mita has 70 taka. You need to write down the answer also. I am not going to write it down because I think you can write down the answer also. Okay, the answer is what? Rita has 58 taka, Gita has 52 taka, and Mita has 70 taka. This is our required answer, my dear students. Now this is the solution. I hope you have understood this solution. Now I am going to solve the next problem. The next problem is problem number 11 from 7.2. It's the present age of a father is 6 times of the present age of his son. That means the father's age is 6 times more than the son's age, okay, in present. And after 5 years, sum of their ages will be 45 years. What are the present ages of father and son? The students, we need to find out the present age of father and present age of son. In the first part, given that the present age of father is how much? Is 6 times more than the son's age. That's why we will assume the present age of son as x. Then we can find out the father's age also in present. Okay, now let's start the solution of 11. Okay, to solve that one I am erasing solution of 8. Okay, the solution of 11 is, suppose present age of son is x years. Okay, present age of son is x years, and the question says that the present age of father is 6 times that of the present age of son. Okay, so present age of father is 6 times that of son's age. So 6 multiplication with x years. Okay, that's equal to how much? That's equal to 6x years. Now read out the question again. Dear students, we have found out the present age of father is 6x, okay, by assuming the son's age as x years. Now after 5 years, some of their ages will be 45 years. After 5 years, that means we need to find out after 5 years the son's age and after 5 years the father's age. Then we should add the two ages, then we can get 45 years, okay, because after 5 years the sum of their ages will be 45 years. Now my dear students, now after 5 years, the son's age will be, students, notice very carefully, after 5 years the age will be increased, okay, after 5 years the age will be increased. That's why I will add 5 with this x. With the present age we will add 5 to get the years of after 5 years the son's age, okay. After 5 years the son's age will be x plus 5 years. Like this, after 5 years, the age, the father's age will be 6x plus 5, because present age of father is 6x, we will add 5, okay, years. Now the question says that after 5 years the sum of ages will be 45. So according to the question, this x plus 5 plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 45, okay. Now according to the question, we can write down, according to the question, it's x plus 5 plus 6x plus 5, that's equal to 45, okay. The sum of their ages after 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 45, okay. Implies that first of all we need to omit the brackets to solve this equation, okay. It will be x plus 5 plus 6x plus 5, because in front of the bracket we have plus sign, okay, so the sign will be not changed, okay. It is equal to 45. Now the students, is x plus 6x, that's equal to 7x, plus 5 plus 5 equal to 10, that's equal to 45. Now we need to calculate the value of x, because x is the present age of son, okay. So we need to find out the value of x, that's why we will transfer this 10 in the right side. If we transfer that 10 in the right side, we will get a minus sign before 10, okay, because 10 had a plus sign before. Now it's 7x, that's equal to 35. It's a simple subtraction. We need to omit this 7 also, because we are going to find out the value of x. That's why we will divide both the side of this equation by 7. We will get the value of x then, okay. Therefore x is equal to, the value of x is equal to, it's 35, okay, it's 5. So if we divide 35 by 7, then we will get 5, because 7 5s are 35, okay. That means the value of x is equal to 5. So we can say that the present age of son is 5 years. So write down here, therefore present age of son is 5 years, okay. Therefore the present age of father will be, therefore the present age of father is, the present age of father is what? Is 6x, right? Or we can write down 6x. 6 is 6 and x value is 5, that's equal to 30 years, okay. That means at present the father's age is 30 years and the son's age is 5 years, okay. And after that you must write down the answer also, because the question says that what is the present age of father and son. You should write down answer is equal to, answer is what? Father's present age is 30 years and son's present age is 5 years. I hope my dear students you have understood this two solution. Now you have also the homework. Your homework number is 27, you know that, and you must solve question number 7 and 12 from your exercise 7.2. Okay, do your HW properly, and you must submit the HW in every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.